What is Cursor AI? First, it's an artificial intelligence-powered code editor and development environment. Second, it's designed to enhance the coding experience by integrating AI assistance directly into the coding workflow. It has key features like code completion, explanation, refactoring assistance, bug detection, natural language interactions, multi-language support, and GitHub integration, which is somewhat similar to what modern AI offers. However, where it shines is the total awareness for complex code development. Let me show you through a scenario. Sarah, Alex, and Maya are all developers, but they approach their work in very different ways. Sarah sticks to traditional development methods. She spends hours sifting through documentation and meticulously writes each function from scratch. When she hits a roadblock, Sarah dives into Stack Overflow, hunting for solutions, piecing them together through trial and error. It's a familiar process, one she's used to, but it's time-consuming and often frustrating. Every bug feels like a puzzle she needs to solve on her own, and progress can be slow. Alex, on the other hand, has a more modern approach. He leverages AI assistants like ChatGPT to help him with his code. Alex types out what he needs in simple, everyday language, and the AI responds with code snippets and explanations. It's a big help, saving him from poring over documentation. But there's a catch. Alex constantly finds himself switching between his chat window and the code editor, copying and pasting suggestions, then tweaking them to fit his project's needs. While this approach is faster than Sarah's, it still feels a bit disjointed. Alex knows he's not fully integrated with his tools. There's always an extra step. Not to mention, when he skips a day to develop, he might need to reinforce what they are doing through sharing snippets or file tree to reinforce the context. Then there's Maya, who's tackling a more complex project that might take a week or two to finish. She's using Cursor AI, and for her, everything feels different. Cursor is deeply aware of the project she's working on. Maya can confidently step away from her desk for a few days, knowing that when she returns, Cursor AI still remembers the intricacies of her code. There's no need to reorient herself or spend time going over details she's forgotten. Cursor understands the project's structure, goals, and even the unspoken details of the code she's building. It's like having an AI partner that's always in sync, fully focused on helping Maya stay productive and focused, no matter how complex the task. Where Cursor AI truly stands out is in managing complex projects that demand a deep, context-aware understanding. Unlike basic AI assistants, Cursor AI is built to grasp the entire structure of your project, including multiple files and the intricate relationships between them. This means developers don't have to spend time providing detailed explanations or file overviews. Cursor AI already sees the big picture and delivers more accurate, contextually relevant suggestions without needing every snippet or file breakdown.